Hi, my name is Carl, and today I want to show you how to make an awesome house in Minecraft. It's fun to know how to do this and to follow some of the basic rules so that if you play with your friends or anything in the game, you can enjoy it a lot more and they'll be more impressed with what you've done. So once you're in the game and you decide to build an awesome house, there's some basic things that you can do or rules that I like to follow in order to do that. One of the main things that's most important, I think, is to follow a theme and be confident with that theme and stick with it as you build the house. If your house is put together from random pieces and over here is a futuristic theme and then over here is a medieval King Arthur type theme, then it's not going to fit together and your house isn't going to be as awesome as you would hope it to be. So pick a theme of some sort of look or color scheme that you'd like to stick with and follow that as you build the house and stick with it. Another thing to think about is different water features and lighting features. Also, the size of the house. It should feel epic. It should feel like there's a lot going on. There's a big story behind what you've built, and there's lots of hours or time that's been put into creating it. One of the other things that you can definitely do is to get creative with redstone by having doors that open and close, and different mechanisms or booby traps within the game that you can create using redstone. Also get an artistic approach to the game. Get creative with your design, create works of art on the walls and in the way that you decorate things, as like I did with the floor here using wool, different colored wool to create a checker pattern. And also you can use items like staircases in order to use them on the rooftop and for other uses other than what they're naturally intended for in the game. One of the other things that you can do that really makes an awesome house is to include secrets. And I mean secret passageways, secret staircases, hidden traps, different things like that that make people want to explore the awesome house that you've created. For example, here I have a hidden staircase that you can't see when you enter the room, but when you flip this lever, a giant staircase opens up, revealing that you can go up onto the roof and explore up there. So my name is Carl, and I gave you some pointers on how to make an awesome house in the game Minecraft, and I hope you have a good time building your awesome house on your own.